On our project one, Andy Monroe, went on a trip with the golf team to Vermont Academy, and I took data for the time in 5 minute intervals and what speed we were at going every 5 minutes. And then I took a few pictures here, one of Flinders and one of Charlie DeFeo. You can see Flinders driving us in the van. We actually didn't take a minibus, and it was a Dodge van, I think, and that was it.
Hey, Mr. Peller, this is Keith Babis now, and this is the poster for our right Riemann sum. And what we got for the right Riemann sum for our distance traveled was 80.5. And how we did this was we took the speed limits at each 5 minute interval and added them up, including the 10-minute stop, which was speed was 0, and then we divided it, multiplied by 5 minutes because that was the interval. So 5 minutes into 60 because it's miles per hour, so it's by the hour, is 0.083. So we multiplied all the speed limits added up by 0.083. So this is the poster we did for the left Riemann sum, and again, like the previous one, we added up each 5 minute interval, the miles per hour, and again multiplied it by 0.083. And for the left Riemann sum, we got a distance traveled of 85.988. So when you average the two, the left and the right Riemann sum, you get 83.24 miles traveled.
So our final estimation was 83.24, and the actual distance traveled was 71 miles. So we were not that far off. But what we could have done to be more accurate was to have smaller intervals than what we had. We had about 18 intervals. If you could do more like 50, it would be more accurate.